Hello everyone, today we are going to know about HTML syntax. So what is the syntax? Structure of statement in a computer language is basically known as a syntax. So we can write syntax in container tag and pair tag. Syntax consists of the starting tag, document contain and close tag. So we can write it as angular bracket tag, contain document and angular bracket slash close tag. Slash is mostly used for the closing tag. Document content consists of the actual content pair in a web page. It could be empty. So here are some example regarding syntax. The first example you can see is for the set of paragraph. The second example, body bg color is equal to yellow, color text, body, close tag, where bg is used for background color. So now let's see how to work on the HTML programming. So we need to know the tools to develop HTML document. So first one is HTML editor. First is HTML editor to create and save HTML document like Notepad and Dreamweaver. And the second one is web browser to view and text HTML document, example Chrome, Firefox. Now the most important thing, HTML using Notepad. So we need to know the process to program in our desktop. Now for this we need to follow the following steps, which are the first step is to open the Notepad. You can generally find it in any desktop. Step 2 is typing the program. Step 3 is saving a program by the save as option. You can also use HTML as a file extension. Now the fourth most important step is viewing the HTML page in your browser to get a resultant output. Let's know about HTML command. We can add command to your HTML source by using exclamation point at starting tag as shown in the example. The syntax used for command consists an exclamation point in a start but not in the end. Commands are not displayed by the browser but they can help document your HTML source code. These are the notes we need to know about comments. Now let's know about the doc tag in HTML. Have you ever wondered why doc type is before HTML tag? Because it is used to inform browser about the version of HTML document. So it is also called as document type declaration, DTD. Technically, doc type is just an instruction to the browser. It is a null element, so it does not consist ending tag. DTD generally defines the rule for the markup language so that the browser recognizes the content correctly. Let's know about HTML tag. HTML tag is very important tag and is present at the HTML document, so it is also known as a root tag. HTML tag is said as a container because it contains elements such as body, head, script, etc. under it, except the doc tag. Every time whenever you do program, it is very important to mention doc type before HTML because it informs about HTML version of a browser. Now let's glance over the attribute of HTML tag. It characterizes the class name of element and it is mostly used in JavaScript and CSS. Second is dir. The dir attribute is used to set the best direction of text for display, which consists of the three types: LTR, left to right, RTL, right to left, and auto. Let the browser figure out which direction it is based on. Third is ID. It is a unique alphanumeric identifier tag which is used to refer for the document. This is also mostly used in the JavaScript and CSS. The fourth is language, specified as lang attribute, which is used for the language of element contained. Example, en is used for specifying English language and fr is used for specifying French. Here is a basic HTML syntax which we use for the opening and closing of the HTML document. The next is head tag. Head tag contain information about the document such as its title. It is a prior tag. Now let's know about its attribute. Class, which specifies the name of element. Second, dir, which is used to set the base direction of the text for the display, which is LTR-RTL auto. ID, it is a unique alphanumeric identifier for the tag which is used to refer to it mostly. It is used in JS and CSS. Lang, it is a language attribute specifies for the where EN is used for English and FR is used for French. Title, it holds the additional information to the element as a tooltip. Title tag, it is mostly mentioned in the head tag. It is used to provide a title name for your web page. Title of page is displayed on the title bar of a browser. Let's know about the attribute of title bar, which are class specify class name of element, ID unique alphanumeric identifier for a tag, language of a element contain, EN for English, FR for French. Style, it is mostly used in JavaScript and CSS for styling the web page. Next is body tag. Body tag define the main content of HTML document which consists on browser. It may consist heading, images, table, link, videos, etc. Body is generally a second element after head tag. Attribute of body tag. BG color. It specifies the background color. Second is background. Here, background image path is set through URL. Third is text. It specifies the text color. Fourth is BG properties. It determines whether the background to be fixed or movable when you scroll the text. Fifth is scroll. This attribute is used for vertical scrolling, which is present at the right side of a document. Next is a top margin, which values in pixel. These attributes create empty space at the top. Next is bottom margin, which is valued in pixel, which determines the empty space at the bottom. Next is the left margin and the right margin, which values in the pixel. The left margin consists empty space at the left and the right margin consists empty space at the right. It plays vice versa rule. Margin height. This specifies the empty space at the bottom and top. Next is margin width, which specifies the empty space at the left and the right side. Sample program for body tag. First comes the doc type tag to determine the HTML document version. Second comes the HTML tag, which is mandatory. The next is the head tag, which contain a title. We have named the title as a sample and we have closed the head tag. Next comes the body, which we have typed welcome to HTML and use BR tag for the breakage of line, and then close of body tag and HTML tag. This is the very first program, so let's see the output. So we get the output as welcome to HTML. Miss you all.